Hi my dear children, in the earlier classes we have studied about triangles, in particular right triangles. In chapter 6 triangles, we have already studied a Pythagoras theorem based on the triangle, based on right triangle. What is Pythagoras theorem? Is hypotenuse square is equal to altitude square plus base square. Or what is the theorem says that the sum of the square of the greatest side, in one side, the square of one side is equal to the squares of other two sides, sum of the squares of the other two sides. How can we understand what is a hypotenuse? The side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. Okay. Suppose we are going to visit Qutb Minar. Okay. Then at that time you look at the Qutb Minar and looking the top of the Minar. Okay. So you want to know about, you want to find out the height of the Qutb Minar. Can you find the height of the Qutb Minar without actually measuring? Can you think about it? How can we? It's possible. This is just draw. This is the Qutb Minar. You standing on here, then looking at the top of the Qutb Minar. You want to find the height of the Minar. You want to find the height of the Minar. Is it possible? In these situations, we want to know about heights of mountains like Qutb Minar and Taj Mahal, etc. In that situations, a technique to find out the heights or distance is used to use the a branch of mathematics. Use some techniques to mathematics. That techniques is a branch of mathematics is called trigonometry. Okay, our new chapter is Introduction to Trigonometry. What is mean by trigonometry? The word trigonometry derived from a Greek word, derived from three Greek words: tri, gon and metry. What is mean by tri? Tri means three. Gon means sides. Metron means measures. So, the trigonometry is a study of relationship between the angles and sides of a triangle. What triangle? In this case, in the trigonometry, we always use a particular triangle, that is right triangle, right angled triangle and right angled acute triangles. Okay, only we can use right angled acute triangles. Okay, what is the trigonometry? Trigonometry is a study of relationship between the sides and angles of a triangle. Okay, in trigonometry there are three ratios. That is the basic of the trigonometry. Three ratios. Okay, that are sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant and cotangent. Okay, what is the six ratios of the trigonometry? Six ratios of the trigonometry: sine, cosine, tangent, what are the three trigonometric ratios? Sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant and cotangent. These are the six trigonometric ratios. Simply we can simply set sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, sec, cot. We always use this abbreviations of the sine, cosine, tangents, cosecant, secant and cotangent. That is sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Okay. Now how can we find the relation? How can we find the ratios? Okay. For before that, look at the figure. This is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Right angle that to B. Okay. You know that B is right angled. So the opposite side to the right angle is called hypotenuse. Okay, always this is the hypotenuse. Then in trigonometry, you know that this is the these sides are or altitude or base, or we can say that perpendicular sides. In trigonometric ratios, we can based on the angle, based on the acute angles in the triangle. This is angle B is right angle triangle. We can consider the acute angles in that triangle, in the right triangle. Based on that acute triangles, we can say these sides opposite side or adjacent side. Opposite side or adjacent side. Here angle A, based on the angle A, we can say that the BC is the opposite side to angle A. Okay. Based on angle A, BC is opposite side to angle A. Here AB is adjacent side. AB is adjacent side to angle A. Okay, what about the angle C? What about angle C? Based on angle C, AB is opposite side, BC is adjacent side. Okay, now consider the ratios of sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Okay, this is very important. This is the basic of the trigonometry. Okay, ഇപ്പോൾ തന്നെ നമ്മൾ ഇത് പഠിച്ചു പോകണം. ഞാൻ പറയുന്നതിൻ്റെ ഒപ്പം നിങ്ങൾ ക്ലാസ് ഇത് കേൾക്കുന്നതിൻ്റെ ഒപ്പം ഇത് പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവണം. Okay, but here sine is equal to sine of angle A. ഇവിടെ angle A നെ കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ sine A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, but here sine A is equal to BC by AC. Okay, sine A is equal to here, sine A is equal to BC by AC. You study sine A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. The ratio of the sine is opposite side by hypotenuse. Then next cos. Cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Next one, tan. Tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Next, cosecant. Cosec is equal to hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse by opposite. Cosec is equal to hypotenuse by opposite. ഇവിടെ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞില്ല, സോറി. ഇനി അടുത്തത് പറയാം, ഇത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് പറയാം. Cosec is equal to hypotenuse by opposite. Then sec is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse by adjacent. Cosec is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent. Then cot is equal to adjacent by opposite. Adjacent side by opposite. Cot is equal to adjacent side by opposite. Okay, but sine A is equal to opposites by hypotenuse, here BC by AB. Cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here adjacent side to angle A is AB. AB by AC. Okay. Then tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent, that is BC by AB. BC by AB. Then next step, cosec. Cosec is equal to hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse manale AC by opposite BC. AC by BC. Ni sec. Sec is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent AC by AB. Then last one, cot is equal to adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite AB by BC. AB by BC. Okay. Then look at these ratios. We can see that here cosec is sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Cosec A is equal to hypotenuse by opposite. So cosec is the reciprocal of sin. Cosec is reciprocal of sin, or we can say that sin is reciprocal of cosec. Okay, similarly sec is the reciprocal of cos. Cos is the reciprocal of sec. Then tan, cot is the reciprocal of tan. Then tan is the reciprocal of cot. So we can write sin A is equal to 1 by cosec A. Similarly cosec A is equal to 1 by sin A. Therefore sin A into cosec A is equal to 1. Reciprocal ഒരു നമ്പറും അതിന്റെ റെസിപ്രോക്കലും എടുത്ത് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താൽ നമുക്ക് എന്താണ് കിട്ടുക? 1 ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ സിമിലർലി sin A into cosec A is equal to 1. So same as cosec A is equal to 1 by cos A is equal to 1 by sec A. Sec A is equal to 1 by cos A. Cos A into sec A is equal to 1. Then cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. Tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. Cot A into tan A is equal to 1, or tan A into cot A is equal to 1. Then other relationship between tan and sin and cos, that is tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. Tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. Then cot A is equal to cos A by tan A. These are the basics of the trigonometry. Okay. അപ്പോൾ എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞത്? sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent. Then cosec A is equal to hypotenuse by opposite. Sec A is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent. Cot A is equal to adjacent by opposite. Then cosec A is the reciprocal of sin. Then sin A is equal to 1 by cosec A. Cosec A is equal to 1 by sin A. So sin A into cosec A is equal to 1. Cos A is equal to 1 by sec A. Sec A is equal to 1 by cos A. So cos A into sec A is equal to 1. Then tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. Cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. So tan A into cot A is equal to 1. Then other relation is tan A is equal to sin A by cos A, and cot A is equal to cos A by sin A. Clear? Now let us consider some problems. Here given tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Given tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Find the other trigonometric ratios of the angle A. Find the other trigonometric ratios of the angle A. So first you draw the triangle. ABC. Here A is an acute angle. Name A is an acute angle. A, B, C. Okay. The angle A, tan A is equal to, you know that tan A is equal to, what is tan A? Tan A is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent, that is equal to 4/3. But we can mark 4/3 on the triangle, the sides of the triangle. Here we can given the ratio of, you know that tan A is a trigonometric ratio, but given that the ratio of the sides. Okay, so we can, how can we take given that ratio, how can we take the sides? Yes, 4k, 3k, 5k, etc. So we can take like that. Tan A is equal to opposite by adjacent side, opposite sides by adjacent side. Here, which is the opposite side of A? That is BC. So we can write here 4k. That means the side BC is the multiple of 4. Multiple of 4. Okay, ഏത് വേണമെങ്കിലും ആവാം. 4ഉം 3ഉം തന്നെ ആയിക്കൊള്ളണമെന്നില്ല. എന്താണ് പറയുന്നത്? ഈ രണ്ട് സൈഡിന്റെ adjacent side is 3. So we can take 3k. ഈ രണ്ട് സൈഡിന്റെയും റേഷ്യോ ആണ് 4/3 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഈ രണ്ട് സൈഡിന്റെ റേഷ്യോ എടുക്കുമ്പോഴാണ് നമുക്ക് 4/3 എന്ന് കിട്ടുക. അത് 4ഉം 3ഉം തന്നെ ആവണമെന്ന് നിർബന്ധമില്ല. അല്ല, അതിന്റെ മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾസ് ആയിരിക്കും വരിക. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ 4k 3k എന്ന് എടുക്കുന്നത്. പിന്നെ ഒരു കാര്യം നിങ്ങൾ ഓർത്ത് വെക്കാം, ഈ ലെങ്ത് മാറുന്നതിനനുസരിച്ച് എന്ത് മാറില്ല? ആംഗിൾ മാറില്ല. ആംഗിൾ എപ്പോഴും സെയിം ആയിരിക്കും. ഇവിടെ വരുന്ന അതേ ആംഗിൾ തന്നെയാണ്. ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ 3ഉം 4ഉം 3ഉം ഏറ്റവും ചെറിയ ലെങ്ത് നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ ഏതെടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുക? ഇത് 4ഉം ഇത് 3ഉം ആയിട്ടാണ് എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുക, അല്ലെ? അങ്ങനെ എടുത്തിട്ട് നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്ന ആംഗിൾ ആണ്, ഏതാണ് ആംഗിൾ കിട്ടിയതെങ്കിലും അതേ ആംഗിൾ തന്നെ ആയിരിക്കും ഇവിടെ 4ന്റെ ഏതൊരു മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ വന്നാലും 3യുടെ ഏതൊരു മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ വന്നാലും ഈ ട്രയാങ്കിളിന്റെ റേഷ്യോ ആംഗിൾ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് സെയിം ആയിരിക്കും. മനസ്സിലായി? ഈ ആംഗിളിന് മാറ്റമൊന്നും സംഭവിക്കില്ല. ഈ എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ആംഗിൾ എപ്പോഴും സെയിം ആയിരിക്കും. ഇവിടെ 16ഉം ഇവിടെ 12ഉം വന്നു എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കാം, റേഷ്യോ സെയിം ആണ്. അപ്പൊ ഇവിടെ 16ഉം ഇവിടെ 12ഉം വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാലും എന്ത് മാറില്ല എന്നാ പറയുന്നത്? ആംഗിളിന് ഒരു മാറ്റവും സംഭവിക്കില്ല. ആംഗിള് അതേ ആംഗിൾ തന്നെ ആയിരിക്കും. അത് ഓർക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, ഇനി ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ കിട്ടി 3k 4k എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. നമുക്ക് ഫൈൻഡ് അതർ ട്രിഗ്നോമെട്രിക് റേഷ്യോസ്. സോ വി വാണ്ട് ടു ഫൈൻഡ് sin A, cos A, cosec A, cot A and sec A. Okay, അപ്പോൾ here you know that sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So we want to find hypotenuse. First we want to find a hypotenuse AC. How can we find the hypotenuse? AC square and AC is equal to root of 4k square plus 3k square. That is equal to 4k whole square plus 3k whole square. That is equal to 16k square plus 9k square. That is equal to root of 25k square is equal to 5k. But we got the hypotenuse is equal to 5k. AC is equal to 5k. Then find other trigonometric ratios. Sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. That is equal to opposite side is 4k. 4k by 5k is equal to 4/5. K and k are cancelled. So we got 4/5. Then sin A. Then next cos A. Cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is equal to 3k by 5k is equal to 3/5. Then next cos A. Then next sec A. Sec A and cosec A. Cosec A is equal to hypotenuse by opposite. That is equal to 5k by 4k is equal to 5/4. ഇത് ഇങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യണമെന്നില്ല. എന്തെടുത്താൽ മതി? ഇതിന്റെ റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ എടുത്താലും മതി. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് sec A എന്ന് എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ you know that sec A is equal to 1/cos A. അങ്ങനെയും ചെയ്യാം നമുക്ക്, ഇങ്ങനെ തന്നെ ചെയ്യണമെന്നില്ല. sec A is equal to 1/cos A, that is 5/3. റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ ഓഫ് cos A, that is 5/3. അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യാം. ഇതേപോലെ സൈഡ്സ് എടുത്തിട്ടും ചെയ്യാം. Then cot A is equal to cot A എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് already tan A എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്താ തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് 4 by 3 ആണ്. Given that tan A is equal to 4 by 3, cot A is the reciprocal of tan A. So you know cot A is equal to 3 by 4. Okay. So we got all the trigonometric ratios based on this tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Okay. Consider next problem. Triangle ACB, right angle that is C, in which AB is equal to 29 units and BC is equal to 21 units. The angle ABC is equal to theta. We can measure the angle. We can denote the angle. The measure of the angle is theta. Okay, how can we write theta? This is theta. Okay, theta. Angle AABC is equal to theta. Determine the values of, we need to find cos square theta plus sin square theta. Second one, cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay. But first we need to find cos and sin. So first we need to find the side AC. Okay, this is the opposite side of angle theta. Find the AC using the Pythagoras theorem. AC is equal to root of 29 square minus 21 square. That is equal to 29 square is 29 square is, what is 29 square? 29 into 29. 841 minus 21 square, that is 441, is equal to root of 400 is equal to 20. Root of 400 is equal to 20. So we got AC is equal to 20. Okay, then we need to find cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here adjacent side is 21 by 29. Cos square theta is equal to 21 square, that is 441 by 29 square 841. Okay, 441 by 841. Then sin theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. That is equal to opposite side. Opposite side is 20 by 29. Then sin square theta is equal to 400 by 841. In the first question, we need to find cos square theta plus sin square theta. So, cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to cos square theta, that is 441 by 841 plus 400 by 841 is equal to 441 plus 400 is equal to 841. 841 by 841 is equal to 1. So we got sin cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Then second question, cos square theta minus sin square theta equal to, cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to, cos square theta, that is 441 by 841 minus sin square theta, that is 400 by 841. 400 by 841, we got 41 by 841. So sin square cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to 41 by 841. Okay. Next question. In a right triangle ABC, right angle that would be, if tan A is equal to tan A is equal to 1, then verify that 2 sin A cos A is equal to 1. But given that tan A is equal to 1, we need to verify 2 sin A cos A equal to 1. Okay, given that tan A, we need to find sin A and cos A. Given that tan A is equal to 1, you know that tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. That is equal to here opposite that is equal to 1. Here given that is 1. Here which is opposite side to angle A, that is BC. Adjacent side is AB. But given we got BC by AB equal to 1. That means BC is equal to AB. Okay. Tan A is equal to, given that tan A is equal to 1. So BC by AB is equal to 1. That is BC is equal to AB. We can take BC is equal to AB is equal to K. A constant K. But BC K, AB K. Then we need to find the AC. AC is the hypotenuse. Therefore K square plus K square, that is equal to root of 2K square, that is root 2K. K square, root of K square is K, root of 2 is root 2. So we get AC is equal to root 2K. Then find sin A and cos A. Sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Here opposite side is K. K by root 2K. K and K are cancelled. We got 1 by root 2. Sin A is equal to 1 by root 2. Then find cos A. Cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is equal to, that also is equal to K by root 2K. Here adjacent side is also K. Root 2K, which is equal to 1 by root 2. Okay, 1 by root 2. Then find 2 sin A cos A is equal to 2 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. That is equal to 2 into 1 by root 2 into root 2, 2. But 2 into 1 by 2, 2 and 2 are cancelled. We got that is equal to 1. Okay, 2 sin A cos A is equal to 1. Next problem. In triangle OPQ, right angle to P, OP is equal to 7 centimeter and OP is equal to 7 centimeter and OQ minus PQ equal to 1 centimeter. OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. Determine the values of sin Q and cos Q. We need to find sin Q and cos Q. Okay, we need to find sin Q and cos Q. Given that OP is equal to 7 centimeter, then also given that OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. We need to find sin Q and cos Q. For that, first we need to find PQ and OQ. How can we find PQ and OQ? Only the given thing is OP is equal to 7 centimeter and OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, the triangle POQ is a right angle triangle. So we can write using the Pythagoras theorem. We can write OQ square is equal to PQ square plus OP square. Am I right? Yes, OQ square is equal to PQ square plus OP square. Then then look at the given thing. OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. From this we can write OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. Then from this we can write OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ. Okay, OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ. Then substitute OQ square. Substitute OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ in the instead of OQ square. 1 plus PQ whole square is equal to PQ square plus OP square. Okay. Next, then 1 plus PQ is 1 plus PQ square, PQ whole square is equal to PQ square plus OP square. Then using the identity A plus B whole square, expand 1 plus PQ square, PQ whole square, that is 1 plus 2pq plus pq square. Did you remember the identity a plus b whole square? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we got 1 plus 2pq plus pq square. Then here also pq square plus op square. Then cancelled pq square and pq square. 1 plus 2pq is equal to op square. Then given that op is 7 centimeter. So substitute here op 7 square, that is equal to 49. Then 2pq is equal to 49 minus 1, that is equal to 48. So pq is equal to 48 by 2, that is equal to 24. pq is equal to 24. Then OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ. OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ, that is equal to 1 plus 24 is equal to 25. So OQ is equal to 25, PQ is equal to 24. OQ is equal to 25, PQ is equal to 24. Okay, then find sin Q and cos Q. Sin Q is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Sin Q is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Here Q opposite to Q is 7 centimeter. So 7 by 25. 7 by 25. Cos Q is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse, that is equal to, here adjacent side is 24, but 24 by 25. Okay.